MTN Uganda now has the final approval to list 20% of its shares on the Uganda Securities Exchange, but for the nitty-gritty of what is actually on offer, potential shareholders will have to wait for 6 more days. The listing comes about 4 years since Cipla Chemicals raised about $46 million on the stock market. Experts project the performance of the Uganda Securities Exchange will double on the stock market.
MTN listing is going to fast-track Uganda's categorization as a frontier market country in the Morgan Stanley Capital International, which requires at least 2 companies valued at a minimum of $630 million to be listed on a local exchange in a country. This IPO is going to be approximately double that.
For MTN, the question of listing was always present, but now, as a license requirement, it will not be done necessarily on their own terms.
In the past, we've had discussions with other investors to widen the base. Those have not really been concluded, but now that it is in the license, we take this as an obligation that we've turned into an amazing opportunity.
That this initial public offer is predicted to be the biggest in Uganda, yet the market has only 40,000 investors. For active trading to happen, more needs to be done.
My own analysis, I think we need at least 100,000 to 150 new equity participants on the exchange, for the exchange to become active and we see some volume on the trading. So that's a huge venture that both the stock exchange and the regulators of the market have to embark on to be able to increase Ugandans who can participate on the stock market.
Uganda Securities Exchange has raised a total of about 2.2 trillion shillings since its inception in 1998. 62% of this amount has been raised through initial public offers, with the remaining 38% raised through secondary market offers and issuance of bonds. Currently, the size of the market measured by capitalization is 20.7 trillion shillings, with local companies accounting for 3.9 trillion shillings. Paul Murungi, NTV Business.